indicate that apart from being a lawyer, is a politician. He is a candidate vying for the position of a member of parliament in Nakawa, that is East constituency. The national nominations are due. We will take judicial notice of that the national nominations are due. And I would urge the court that as you consider this application, you exercise flexibility to enable him participate to achieve his political ambitions. If he is detained and incarcerated for long, the court will in effect have stamped his non-nomination and his non-participation in the election. And yet, on one side of the law, we are saying he's an innocent man. So we ask you to consider that. Before court, he also has sureties, but my brother Alex will present them. Allow me to present for A9.
So it will be prejudicial. And we are going to provide this authority. And it's not our intention to withdraw or replace the documents as provided. We obliged, Your Honor. 2 days is our stand.
Your Worship, my learned brother.
To address the issues before, so unless you have any further submissions.
There is, I want to pray that if you are inclined to grant that adjournment, if you are inclined to grant that adjournment, we ask the court to grant a reasonable time of not more than 2 days. But also there is the aspect my sister brought. She said that she would want to file affidavits in objection.
Just for clarity, I'm not his sister, I'm for prosecution.
Use
I asked that to be expunged.
in the circumstance, but I leave it at that it is very, very reasonable. There was that small misunderstanding. I don't think there's an order that he should be arrested, so he should leave at his convenience.
Your Worship, they have prevented me from moving out. They want to arrest me. That will put us from state yard.
So we are only asking that we don't create a scene.
Allow him to.
Allow him.
If the senior officers can If we could, maybe you can escort it because it has been
It is coming from my mouth.
Yeah, you come and tell me.
Your Honor, as this court may be aware, that this charge sheet, the amended charge, arises from the same charge whose accused persons are on remand. That is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, and A7. The co-accused persons in this case are on remand. And Your Honor, we pray to court to invoke a submission that we made in respect of those accused persons we've mentioned.
If you may, Counsel, Chief Steps, you can reappoint since I have a different set of representatives for the accused. They weren't present in the previous sitting. Accord them the same regard and reappoint.
Your Honor, summarily, without going into details in the interest of time, we said that we wouldn't respond to the application as per now because we needed time. We needed time for reasons being, the first was that we needed to look at the submissions, examine documents, conduct research about the laws that were given to us, to determine those laws that the lawyers quoted. Did the courts really say those things that were said by the defense lawyers? You know, I'm talking about what we said the other time. The court asked me to re-echo why we wanted this.
In relation to this one? In relation to this one?
You know, I'm coming to it. I was asked to re-echo what I said last time. So I'm bringing this on board, today's submission. Your Honor, in the same vein, we cannot respond to this application today because we need time to verify the documents, to research, to determine the veracity, the truthfulness of what has been submitted on behalf of the accused persons and sureties. Without wasting court's time, without wasting court's valuable time, and summarily, we will pray for adjournment to the 29th, the same date when we are supposed to give a response and file affidavits in objection to bail.
They have not indicated to you what exactly they want to verify. Worship, you will take a note that the identifications presented are issued by the state. The IDs that all these people are presented are issued by the state. I don't know what the state will be verifying in their own documents. You will also take note that LCs or officials of the state. The medical form, I don't want to use that laziness, I'm looking for a better one, but the medical form, the 11th day that is indicated is the next date of appointment, but we'll be glad to look at it. The 11th of September the next date of appointment, you look at it. But most importantly, I hear my sister whispering insensitively from the background that forgery. I will be glad if she produced a report. And we will be here.
Council address code?
Yes.
Not rumors around address code.
But we are asking them to be a bit sensitive. No, these are medical issues. You, if you are lucky, you are okay, and somebody is telling you I'm not okay, then you thank God, don't be insensitive. So we are asking them, they can look at it. These are government of Uganda documents. If they come back here that it is fraud, I will step down from this case. As an officer of court. Because I know the challenges my sister who has produced them is facing. Worship, on our party, we think and we propose that a day or two is sufficient for the state with all its organs. We consider and submit that a day or two.
Your Worship, if I may, I do not have the right to enjoy, to reply.
I know there's no rights.
Your Worship, I pray that I do not wish to respond to what he just said, but I pray that it is put on record that he says the date, the 11th day of September 2025, in his words, is the next date of visiting the doctors. Let it be put on record, Your Honor.
We agree if they go there tomorrow, they will find her there.
Okay, allow me.
It is the incoming mayor, Lord Mayor of Kampala, but is currently the Member of Parliament for Nakawa East constituency. The Member of Parliament for Nakawa East constituency. Your Worship, is also the duly nominated flag bearer of the National Unity Platform for Lord Mayor Kampala, Also a senior member of the National Unity Platform, where he is on a daily basis serving with A8.
It's a helpless question.
And is a resident. The second should be Honorable Omwogezi.